2, 3, Udi!
That's me, mechanical engineer slash sportsman slash extrovert. So this is my first project. Last 2 years of my life. It was monsoon. Went to Tamni Ghat, climbed a waterfall, and even tested my new phone's IP68 rating. Then went straight to Konkan, did parasailing, and got bombarded onto sea. And even saw dolphins. Got on a bus to Dhanki. Wait. That's Nick. It's his hometown. Drove his new bike back to Pune, which was 623 kilometers. Went to Aurangabad to meet my best friend Shivtej. This is him. Saw Ellora caves and ate fire pan. Came back in Pune and went to experience glider plane. And yes, we do have them in Pune. It was awesome. Our office took us to Imagica. Loved the giant wheel there. With these three idiots, went on a night trek from Kataras to Sinhagarh. There was no preparation, but had great fun. Read an article about fireflies, so had to see them. The mentioned village was so remote, had to climb a tower just to get network. Saw millions of fireflies, it was spectacular. Sandan Valley was nearby. It was raining, so had to go there. Crossed the valley in neck deep water, took some sick photos. Then these two girls shifted nearby. Then kya? Weekend became more fun, like party all night. Did ZNMD inspired prank and ate octopus. Then went to Harishchandragarh, was blown out to see Konkan Kada. At night, figured out how to set up a tent. Went to Kolad for river rafting. It was awesome. Did some somersault and learn new techniques. Wait, I forgot to tell you, between all this I got ripped, like very ripped. Went to Shirim for volunteering, taught them jumping exercise and later had a cooking competition at night. Came back in Pune, learned to climb walls and ran 91 km that month. Hashtag new record. Later went to Devkund with these three and swam in a behemoth of a waterfall. Hashtag don't try this at home. Took out time to visit my favorite spot in Mahabaleshwar. Planned a road trip to Kurg. Karnataka was flooded, so had to reroute through Jungle Road. Saw Abbey Falls and a monastery. Then it was time for mountains. Flew to Chandigarh, drove 10 hours straight to Manali. Hashtag achievement unlock. Saw snow on the roads and frustration was gone. Our Airbnb was awesome. Scorpio and Manali Road really tested my driving skill. Went to Solang Valley, did paragliding, and yeah, I asked about that 500 rupees wala guy. Drove from Manali to Shimla. Shimla is even trickier and big car was not helping. Saw my childhood school. It has been converted to hotel now. Had to see my playground. Got nostalgic. Fun fact, I used to jump from here in first standard. Did all the touristy stuff and then headed back to Pune. And yeah, that's it.